Are you interested in becoming an advanced web application security expert? Then you've probably heard about the OSWE certification. But what exactly is OSWE, who should pursue it, and why is it considered one of the most respected web application security certifications? In this video, we'll answer all those questions. Let's get started. The Offensive Security Web Expert, or OSWE, is an advanced cybersecurity certification offered by OffSec. It is designed for professionals who want to demonstrate real-world skills in web application penetration testing, secure code analysis, and advanced web exploitation. Unlike certifications that focus primarily on theory, OSWE emphasizes practical, hands-on problem-solving in realistic environments. The OSWE certification helps you develop advanced skills in areas such as web application penetration testing, source code review, authentication and authorization testing, business logic vulnerabilities, SQL injection, cross-site scripting, XSS, remote code execution, custom exploit development, secure coding concepts. These skills prepare you to identify and exploit complex vulnerabilities in modern web applications. The OSWE certification is ideal for web application penetration testers, ethical hackers, red team professionals, application security engineers, security consultants, bug bounty hunters, cybersecurity professionals looking to specialize in web application security. If you're passionate about offensive security and want to deepen your expertise in web application testing, OSWE is an excellent choice. Earning the OSWE certification demonstrates advanced technical expertise and practical offensive security skills. It can help strengthen your professional credibility and open opportunities in roles such as application security engineer, penetration tester, red team operator, security consultant, web security specialist. Many organizations value hands-on certifications like OSWE because they reflect the ability to solve real-world security challenges. OSWE is best suited for professionals who already have a solid understanding of web technologies and penetration testing fundamentals. If you're looking for an advanced certification focused on real-world web application security, OSWE is definitely worth considering. That was your complete beginner's guide to the OSWE certification. In our next video, we'll explain the OSWE exam structure, prerequisites, and how you can prepare effectively. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications.